Day 1, today and tonight. Thunderstorm impact. A band of strong to severe storms is forecast to approach east central Florida late this afternoon and move across the area into the evening hours. The main storm threats associated with this band of storms will be the risk of severe damaging wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour, a few tornadoes, frequent lightning strikes, and small hail. Heavy rain will also be possible within the band of storms, but it will be moving quickly, so rain accumulations of only 1 to 2 inches are forecast. Residents and visitors are strongly advised to prepare ahead of this line of storms and stay weather aware this afternoon into the late evening hours. It is important to ensure you have multiple ways of receiving severe weather warnings and alerts. Wireless emergency alerts being turned on your phone, having a NOAA weather radio, staying up to date on our social media feeds, and listening into your local broadcast meteorologist are all great ways to stay informed about the weather. Finally, make sure fellow family members and residents know safe places within your dwelling should you have to shelter at any point. Be prepared to seek shelter quickly should warnings be issued for your area. Marine thunderstorm gust impact. A band of strong to severe storms will move across the inland lakes, intracoastal waters, and local Atlantic waters late this afternoon into the evening hours. Storms will be capable of producing gusts in excess of 35 knots, frequent cloud-to-water lightning strikes, and locally higher seas. Waterspout impact. As the band of strong to severe storms moves across east central Florida and out over the local Atlantic waters, waterspouts cannot be ruled out across inland lakes, the intracoastal waters, and the local Atlantic waters. Marine interests should remain vigilant. High wind impact. A tightening pressure gradient out ahead of the front has led to windy conditions outside of storms across east central Florida. A wind advisory is in effect for sustained non-convective winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up 40 to 45 miles per hour expected. Wind and sea impact. Dangerous boating conditions exist across the local Atlantic waters, and a gale warning will remain in effect across all the adjacent Atlantic waters through 4 a.m. on Wednesday. Seas up to 12 feet and winds 25 to 35 knots, with gusts up to 45 knots, are forecast. Rip current impact. A moderate risk of rip currents exists at the central Florida Atlantic beaches, with a strong northward flowing longshore current present due to southerly winds. Additionally, a high surf advisory is in effect across the coast for breaking waves of 5 to 7 feet and rough surf. Entering the ocean is not advised. River flood impact. The St. Johns River near Asta remains just below action stage, but is forecast to rise back into action stage midweek as a result of rainfall associated with the storms. It is then forecast to fall back below action stage late this week. Days 2 through 7, Wednesday through Monday. Port hazardous boating conditions will gradually improve on Wednesday. Another system should lead to worsening boating conditions this upcoming weekend. Another frontal system arriving on Friday will bring increasing chances for scattered to numerous lightning storms across east central Florida. Current guidance indicates the front will stall across the peninsula, leading to isolated to scattered thunderstorms chances through Saturday. The risk of dangerous rip currents will remain at least moderate through midweek. Spotter information statement. Spotters should closely monitor weather conditions and activate as weather approaches. The forecast for the Melbourne NOAA Weather Radio listening area. High surf advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Wind advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Tornado watch 6 in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Beach hazard statement in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Today, considerable cloudiness with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Windy. Some storms may produce damaging winds. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds around 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, showers and a chance of evening thunderstorms, then mostly clear after midnight. Windy. Some storms may produce damaging winds. Lows in the lower 50s. southwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour, becoming west 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday, sunny, cooler. Highs in the upper 60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, partly